South Africa Under-20 coach Raymond Daka has called for calm after Majica's narrowed to one defeat to France in their FIFA Under-20 World Cup opener, insisting his side remains firmly in contention for a place in the knockout stages. The Group D clash on Monday saw the young South Africans match the European heavyweights for long periods, only to be undone by lapses that left them with no points heading into the final two fixtures. Mdaka, however, struck an upbeat tone, backing his players to regroup ahead of Friday's must-win encounter against New Caledonia before rounding off the ground against the USA next week. He said, "We gave a good account of ourselves, but of course it wasn't the result we wanted. A draw would have given us some breathing room, but we still have 2 games left. We'll sort ourselves out, approach the next game smartly, and I believe we can still make our mark." For the coach, the positives outweighed the scoreline. He said, "If you play without creating opportunity, that's a problem. When you create chances, it shows you are capable of scoring at any time. It's a game of results, but with 3 games in the group, we still have everything to play for." Among the missed chances was one that fell to winger Shaquille April, who admitted his disappointment but promised a stronger response. He said, "I should have scored today. They took their chances and we didn't. That was the difference. But next game, we're coming. We won't back down. We're South Africa." Goalkeeper Flange Low, who piles his trade in Portugal, echoed the sentiment, pointing to the team's resilience, and said there were a lot of positives from the game. "We played well in many areas, but small mistakes cost us. It does add pressure for the next match, but I'm excited for Friday. We'll show what we can really do." With 2 groups matches remaining, Amachisa's World Cup journey is far from over. The task now is simple: turn potential into points and ensure their hard work translates into progress. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.